It's time to go head to head. All-in-one diapers versus pocket diapers. Which one knocks out the competition? Keep watching to find out. Trust me, it's going to be a good one. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. And hey to all my new subscribers. Y'all, I am excited about today's video. I've been planning it, brewing it in my head for a little while, and today is the day. We are talking all-in-one diapers versus pocket diapers. These are two of my favorite styles of diaper. Definitely my go-tos for sure. These diapers are easy to throw in a wet bag and head out the door. Easy to give to a caregiver, easy to use, easy, easy, easy. You don't get much simpler than this with a cloth diapering regimen. So for this versus video, to get the head-to-head action going, we're gonna jump right into it. Let's get to round one. What is an all-in-one diaper? Well, I'm glad you asked. That all-in-one diaper is a one-piece diaper that has all the absorbent material and layers sewn in. There is no need to do anything more to use this diaper. Everything you need is already included. All that absorbent goodness inside an all-in-one diaper is covered by a waterproof outer shell. This diaper, like I'm telling you guys, is amazingly simple to use. Our next contender is a pocket diaper. Now, a pocket diaper also features a waterproof outer shell that is sewn to an inner stay dry material. These two combined create a pocket that we stuff all of our absorbent material into. We call the absorbent inner layers inserts. Now that we know who the contenders are, let's talk about the similarities in these two diaper styles. The first similarity is that when you buy a pocket or an all-in-one diaper, it comes with everything you need to use it. There's no extra materials that need to be bought, no extra closures. You are all good to go. The second similarity is that both of these diapers, all-in-ones and pockets, come in adjustable size formats. That means you can use one diaper to suit your baby over the course of your cloth diapering adventure. You can size them up or size them down depending on your baby's needs. Our next similarity is that you can use these diapers for multiple children. However, around the leg gussets of both styles of diaper, you might experience elastic wearing. Elastic wearing can be corrected, but it might take you some time and some extra effort to get a perfect fit. Our next similarity is that both styles of diaper, all-in-ones and pockets, are examples of modern cloth diapering. Both diaper styles are as easy as disposables, awesome to use on the go, and simple for caregivers to use. Gotta love it. And the last similarity is that both diaper styles wash extremely well. You'll definitely want to hang dry these so you can preserve the outer waterproof layer. Now, on to the differences. Our first difference is that pocket diapers have to be stuffed. Our all-in-one diapers require no extra work. All you gotta do is grab and go. Our next difference is that pocket diapers allow for a lot of customization. Add as many absorbent inserts as you need to suit your baby. Adding absorbent layers to all-in-one diapers makes the diaper in itself a lot less trim. If you like a cute fluff butt, go for it. Adding layers to this diaper may create gaps around the legs and tummy, which could lead to more leaks. After all, when you buy an all-in-one diaper, everything you need is supposed to be in it. You shouldn't need to add more layers. The next difference is all-in-ones are usually quite a bit more expensive, whereas you can always find a budget pocket diaper to suit your needs. And the last difference is clearly you'll have to stuff a pocket diaper, but the absorbent insert can go in the dryer. So, who's the winner out of these two diapers? All-in-one or pocket? I know I always leave you guys hanging on this. I'm not going to declare a winner, but I want you to be the judge using your lifestyle, your baby, and what works for you as your criteria. All-in-one diapers win this competition if you're looking for the ease of disposables but the luxury of cloth. This is as simple as it gets for cloth diapering. Or pocket diapers will be the champion of your cloth diapering adventure if you're looking for an easily customized diaper that won't put a huge strain on your budget. Well guys, that wraps up this video. Who doesn't like a choose your own adventure ending? I know I do. If you want a demo on each of these cloth diapers, make sure you check out our All About Cloth Diaper series, where I give a deep dive of the pros and cons and show you how to use each of these styles of diaper. I'll be sure to leave a link on the end screen, but you can also search for them on our channel. In the comments, guys, drop me a note and tell me which of the 2 diaper styles, all-in-ones or pockets, do you like the best? Maybe your experience can help another mom along her journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make. I had a lot of laughs along the way. You know I laugh at myself very often on these videos. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys, and click the little bell so you'll always be the first to know when I post a new video. And head over to clothcuties.com, where there's more to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. Bye, guys.